If you've been using Spaceship Invest or considering starting, this video breaks down the best alternative investment app that gives you similar simplicity, flexibility, and long-term growth, but with even more control over your money and investment choices. Spaceship Invest made investing accessible to everyone with an easy interface and low minimum deposits. However, as the investment landscape grows, several newer platforms now offer broader asset classes, lower fees, and better customization for your portfolio. One standout among them is Raiz, an Australian-based micro-investment platform designed for both beginners and everyday investors who want to build wealth automatically. Raiz allows you to invest your spare change by rounding up daily purchases and investing the difference into diversified portfolios. It's simple, automated, and perfect for people who struggle to invest consistently. Unlike Spaceship, Raiz gives you multiple investment options, including conservative, balanced, and aggressive portfolios, plus sustainable portfolios for those who want to invest responsibly. Another big advantage is its integration with financial education tools and cashback rewards from partner brands. This means while you spend, you also grow your investment. The platform also allows custom portfolio options where you can add ETFs or choose specific exposures based on your goals. Fees on Raiz are transparent, starting from a small monthly amount, and the app offers detailed performance tracking, regular insights, and automated rebalancing to keep your investments aligned with your targets. The user experience is smooth, beginner-friendly, and well-supported through the app's customer service and educational resources. For investors looking beyond Spaceship, Raiz stands out because it blends simplicity with real diversification. You're not just investing in tech or global innovation themes, you're building a balanced, long-term wealth strategy across multiple sectors and risk levels. While Spaceship Invest remains a great entry point, Raiz offers more flexibility, portfolio control, and the ability to grow your wealth automatically without constantly monitoring the market. If you're serious about consistency and steady returns, Raiz is the best alternative app to Spaceship Invest in 2025.